Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be trying to get some more camber on the front of my RSX. I read a couple forums. All you need is a camber bolt. So there's 2 bolts on the strut, right? The bottom one, you keep the stock one, and then the top, you go like a little smaller so that way you can push the strut in and potentially get more camber. But we'll see how this works. I still gotta run to the bank and do some errands this morning. I'm gonna make that sit and get more camber, boy. Oh my, so close. Come on, Kevin, where's your sandals? It's pretty damn low to the ground. I don't know if bags settle, but bro. So what we're gonna do right now, move this to the middle, take the wheel off, get a measurement on the bolt, and then we'll go to Lowe's or wherever and try to make this bitch fit. This is a lifesaver. Whenever your car's dead, find it at Costco, like 80 bucks. My battery's been dead and I've been so eager to go buy a new one. That broke life, you know what I'm saying? Good thing about being on air is that you don't have to use any more plywood to get your car on the jack. As of right now, I got it jacked up. All the boring shit. About to take off the wheel and then show you guys what I'm talking about. There are these 2 bolts down here. You're supposed to loosen that one and then actually loosen this one and then buy a smaller bolt for this. What that small bolt is gonna do is let you push this, the whole whatever wheel assembly, in to obtain more camber. Okay, got all the bolts loosened. So the theory behind this is too big. You would want to get a little smaller diameter one because if you push this in, that's how you're gonna get more camber. And look at that. That's gonna be a lot. And then we just adjust the tie rods right after to work on the toe. But here's how it was before. And then if I go buy some bolts, wow, that's gonna look so good. Thank God. Back then, I bought some camber bolts, but I never knew where the hell it went. Look through this drawer, and I found them. So now I don't have to go buy them. Dude, this works perfect. Only those who are about that low life understand. It worked. Oh my God, I'm so hyped right now. I've been wanting this fitment for so long, and I finally got it. Thank you. I've been watching Sunny from Eliminate a lot. That's where I got the idea from. So shout out to you, Sunny. Keep doing you. Your R6 is sick. His is static, which I was, but I just couldn't handle it anymore. But dude, check this out. Oh shit. Oh my God. Well, we gotta adjust like the toe and stuff, but oh my God. That's fucking gnarly. And you can tell how ugly this side is. But damn. I'm so hyped on it right now. Sorry if this video hasn't been a lot of recording. I've just been messing around with this a lot. but damn. That's crazy. Alright, now it's time to work on the other side. Like I said before, loosen the bottom half. If you have an RSX, I think Subaru has the same suspension. Take out that bolt. And then here's your camber bolt. I'm gonna place it in there, push it in, and bam! Dude, this one's gonna go gnarly in there. But yeah, just tighten that and then you're good.